9 Nutrition Facts and Health Benefits of Carob Powder. Carob powder, also called carob flour, is a cocoa powder alternative. It is made from dried, roasted carob tree pods and looks a lot like cocoa powder. Carob powder is often used as a natural sweetener in baked goods. It is sweet and has a unique taste. Learn about the health benefits and nutrition facts for carob powder. Nutrition facts. Number 1. Naturally low fat. Carob powder contains virtually no fat. If you're on a low-fat diet, carob powder is a good option. Just keep in mind that it is higher in sugar and carbs than cocoa powder. Number 2. Low in sodium. Carob powder contains no sodium. It is a great option for people following a low-sodium diet. Number 3. Contains calcium, but no oxalates. Calcium is a mineral. It is important for bone health. It also helps your heart, nerves, and muscles function well. 2 tablespoons of carob powder have 42 milligrams of calcium, or 4% of their DA. Number 4. High in fiber. 2 tablespoons of carob powder have almost 5 grams of fiber, over 20% of their DA. Number 5. Gluten-free. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, rye, and triticale. In some people, gluten triggers their immune system to attack the small intestines. This condition is called celiac disease. Carob powder is gluten-free. Number 6. Helps relieves diarrhea. Thanks to its tannin content, carob powder has been used as a natural remedy for diarrhea. Tannins are polyphenols found in some plants. Number 7. Caffeine-free. Carob powder contains no caffeine. This is good news for caffeine-sensitive people looking for a chocolate substitute. Number 8. Good source of antioxidants. According to a 2003 study, carob fiber is a rich source of polyphenol antioxidants. Gallic acid has also been found to scavenge free radicals and kill cancer cells. And number 9. Free of tyramine. Tyramine is a byproduct of tyrosine, an amino acid. According to the National Headache Foundation, foods that contain tyramine may trigger migraine headaches. Carob doesn't contain tyramine and is considered safe to eat if you get migraines. An evidence-based nutrition video from our experts at Authority Nutrition.